Hello everyone and welcome to the phrase review. We're going to be doing a quick review of all the phrases we've studied. If you have a question about any of them in particular, you'll want to go back to the movie that deals only with that one type of phrase. But here's a review that'll help you understand what you know and what you might need to review a bit more. The first phrase we studied was the prepositional phrase, and we remember that the prepositional phrase includes the preposition and its object, or more than one object sometimes. The prepositional phrase can be used as an adjective or an adverb. Looks like I've got a little typo there on my slide, doesn't it? Should say or as an adverb. I guess I got in a hurry. Can you identify the difference between adjective and adverb phrases here? I'll try using my pointer. Of the books in the first sentence. Of the books. Of is the preposition, books, the object of the preposition. The entire phrase modifies the word one, so that is an adjective phrase. Second sentence, this one right here. It has two prepositional phrases. Do you see them? With the team, with the preposition, team, the object of the preposition. With the team tells where he is going, so it's an adverb phrase. To the game also tells where he's going, so it's also an adverb phrase. Look at the third and fourth sentences. See if you can find the phrases and tell what they do. In the third sentence, to the attic modifies door, so it's an adjective phrase. Of the club modifies member, so that also is an adjective phrase. Then we came to verbal phrases, different than prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases involve prepositions. Verbal phrases involve verbs, or forms of verbs, we should say. And we remember that we have our little soap opera to help us remember Jerry, gerund, Patty participle, and the infinitive, Iggy the infinitive, one of the evil twins, 2 and 2. We'll get, you remember that from the infinitive movie. Let's take a look first at gerund phrases, and we remember that gerunds are verb forms used as nouns. Jerry helps his mom, Nancy noun, do her 6 jobs. Subject, predicate, nominative, direct object, indirect object, object of the preposition, and a positive. And we remember that Jerry the gerund always ends in ing. Here are some examples of gerunds and gerund phrases. In the first sentence, you'll notice that one word is in red. There are some other words in green. Why is that? Well, the gerund is in red, running. To the field house is a prepositional phrase modifying running, so that entire phrase, the gerund and the prepositional phrase that modifies it, that is part of the gerund phrase. And that entire phrase, of course, is used as the subject of the sentence. What is the job of the manager? Running to the field house is the job of the manager. Remember, too, that in identifying gerunds, if you can put the word it if you can replace the phrase with the word it, that's usually a good indication that you're dealing with a noun, something that's being used as a noun. Wishing could make it come true. Wishing is what could make it come true, being used as the subject there. And the third sentence, he loves writing essays. Essays is in green because that is the object of writing. Because Jerry Gerund is part of a verbal form, he is a verbal form, he can have objects, and here, essays, the thing that is written. Writing essays is the entire gerund phrase, and it is used as the direct object because it is what is loved. If I put the word it in there, it would be very easy to see the function of that gerund phrase, wouldn't it? If I said he loves it, then it would be very easy to see, oh, of course, that's the direct object. Here's Patty participle, a verb form used as an adjective. Patty participle helps her mom, Angela adjective, with her job of modifying nouns and pronouns. Since Patty is a verb form, she can have modifiers and objects just like Jerry Gerund. She may or may not end in ing, and that's how she's different than her half-brother Jerry. Jerry Gerund always ends in ing. Patty participle does sometimes, in the present tense form usually, but doesn't have to, and we'll see some examples of some past tense participles, words, verb forms in the past tense used as adjectives. And here are some examples of participles and participial phrases. Actually, I see only participles here. But here we have leaking, modifying faucet, winning, modifying horse, exhausted, modifying I, and defeated, modifying opponents. Infinitives and infinitive phrases. Remember that to, and I should have highlighted that, put it in a different color, and I forgot to, but that's talking about the word to. Remember that the word to, followed by a noun, is a preposition, not an infinitive. Infinitives include the word to, there again, I should have highlighted this word, and a verb. So to run, to play, to jump. An infinitive phrase consists of the infinitive plus any adverbs and objects associated with it. To run fast, for instance. Here are some examples. To win that trophy would be a dream come true. To win. To win what? That trophy. So that entire phrase is used as the subject. Therefore, it is used as a noun. Infinitive phrases can seem a little tricky because they can be used as nouns. So we have the 6 functions of a noun there. Or as adjectives or adverbs. In this case, it's a noun. It's being used as the subject. Second sentence, he wants to be the best. To be is what is wanted. So we have a direct object, another infinitive being used as a noun there. And here we have an infinitive used as what? See if you can figure it out. To beat. Not being used as a noun here. That's right, it's being used as an adjective because it modifies the word ones. Once again, prepositional phrases used as adjectives or adverbs, verbal phrases, gerunds, participles, and infinitives. 2 main divisions of phrases that we've studied. And I hope this review helps you.